Here's 3 minutes on how to use SQL to sort a table in BigQuery in addition to finding out the smallest and biggest value in a column of your choice. Now I'm going to start off by just selecting star from my starships table in the Star Wars dataset, and this is just a way of seeing kind of what the table looks like. I'm also going to put in a limit 1000 because I'm unsure how many rows are in there at the moment. So we can see here that we've got the names of the starship along with the costs. And you can see here that there are nulls in this costs column along with some very large numbers. Now say I wanted to actually sort this table by that cost column, what you would have to do here is after your from, so right at the very end of your command, you would type order space by and then simply write the column you want to sort by. So in this case it's costing credits. So if I just run this, we can see if we scroll to the right that the table has been sorted and we've got all the nulls at the top, and then you can see that it's got the smallest price and continues getting bigger. So it's actually sorted it in ascending order from smallest to biggest. Now if we wanted to change that and actually sort it from biggest to smallest, all you would have to do is type a DESC after the column name. And as you can see here, if we scroll to the right, we've now got the largest number at the top, and then eventually it goes down to the nulls. Now, although we saw earlier that when you don't specify anything, it actually sorts by ascending, if you want to ensure that this is the case, all you have to do is after the column type ASC, and you'll see here once again our costing credits has been sorted from smallest to largest. Okay, so now that we know how to sort a table, whether it be ascending or descending, I'm going to show you how to pick out the smallest and the largest value in a column. And the way we achieve this is to just use two functions, one of which is the min function, as you can see here, and then the other is a max function. So here I've written min, open bracket, costing credits, close bracket. I'm calling it and I'm giving it an alias of least expensive, and then comma followed by max open bracket with the same column name, and we will give this an alias of most expensive. I'm also going to get rid of this order by because you can't order by when you're aggregating. If we run this now, we should be able to see that we have our least expensive at 75,000 and our most at this very large number that I won't attempt to try and say. And that's it. Now you know how to sort a table in BigQuery in addition to finding out what the smallest and largest number is in a column of your choice.